All right, I just spotted a massive creek fish. Let's see if we can't get over there, cast above him, catch him, and cook him up. Alright, so that's today's fillet. So we're just gonna kill him just like any ocean fish, stick a nice knife through his brain, and yeah, alright. So, brain's probably right between his eyes. Right in there, don't you think? We'll clean him up, got him, and then we'll fillet him. We're just cutting up the belly here, gonna get all the guts. So then we're going to go behind the head here. And this should pull out all the guts.
Awesome.
We got our cutting table here. Gonna fillet our log salmon. Look at all that pink meat. All right, that's a good looking piece of meat. No meat going to waste here. Fillet number 2. That's garbage. All right.
Sweet.
All right, we got dinner. All right, so we got oil in the Jetboil. Christine's working on battering our fish in the eggs, and then some seasoned flour, and then, all right, we're going in. All right, so we'll give it a little stir, and we should have some fish and chips in no time. Our fish nuggets are actually pretty good.
Cheers.
The breading is good.